McNamara.
My name is AJ. I wasn't even drinking coffee about 2 years ago, and then suddenly I wanted a cup of coffee. I talked to Laura and I said, let's just have a coffee.
And I called up a guy that I had found after searching for a long time that offered specialty grade Mexican coffee and also fresh roasted. And I make him a cup of coffee. He drank it and then looks up and goes, "This is coffee?" I'm like, yeah, this is Mexican coffee.
We keep drinking this coffee from this guy, and one time we called to order more coffee, and he said, there's no more coffee, guys. I'm closing the business. I'm going to leave to Canada, and that was it.
And long story short, we ended up with the roaster and we took over the business. We started roasting coffee. And that's kind of when we really picked up on live coffee. Drinking fresh roasted coffee or live coffee means the coffee still has antioxidants, it still has vitamins, and it has much better flavor and aroma.
Not only the flavors, but the health benefits, which is even more and more interesting behind just a cup of coffee. One single bean of coffee has more than 1,000 cells. We love coffee. We love what we do. We love to share the stories behind everything we've learned so far. And people loved it too. I mean, it's just amazing when people realize and find by themselves the difference between the coffee we regularly drink as humans and then drinking it fresh roasted. It's undescribable.